Hey, welcome to Amateur Investing. I know I'm uploading this on Tuesday when I normally do my portfolio updates on Monday, but I wanted to get that Coinbase video out, so I hope you can forgive me. These numbers are still pulled from over the weekend, though. So in public, right now my portfolio is $694.84. That was a really bad week. I was bleeding. I moved my holdings from SPY to SPY D. I'll talk about that later this week. And NEO kind of sucks. I initially put $50 into Tesla and $50 into NEO, expecting them to follow a very similar track. That is not the case. I'll probably be flipping NEO when I see it spike and switch that over to Tesla. You know, I was trying to diversify, but I should have stuck with the American company. On Webull, I'm at 167.33. I'm just waiting on all of the swings to get to the price targets I'm looking at. ADT and Snap are near the top, so I'll probably be flipping those sometime this week. Everything else, all those Chinese companies I got, those are all still hovering around a 30 RSI. They should go up eventually. They can't stay that low forever. KuCoin, I'm at 94.76, and you might say, Richard, I thought this was profitable. Why did you lose so much money? And I'll tell you why. During a Bitcoin dip, I realized that my trading bot was not doing very well during a bear market. So I said, let's try switching out the algorithm. So I tried a new one that I made myself that ran on a 3-minute candle. That was a bad decision. I did not back test it correctly. I had it run starting at like 10 p.m. and then I went to sleep and I woke up and I lost 3% overnight. And when you're climbing really slow on something that's as volatile as Bitcoin, 3% is a big deal. So yeah, that's at 94.76. So that's down 5.5%, 5.25%. Whereas in Binance, I have 57.74 in Ethereum, so that went up like crazy, and my Bitcoin's at 50.27. So my Bitcoin, just buying and holding, has gone up about 0.5%. Whereas my trading bot, because I messed around with it, it's down a lot comparatively. I'm hoping over time it will catch up. Ideally, it'll be more profitable. We'll just have to see with time how that works. I might try to optimize the strategy more. I might try to recalibrate the strategy I stole for a 5-minute candle so that it trades more frequently, to see if I can get more profit that way. I'm going to be a lot more careful backtesting, though. I'm not just going to flip the switch like I did last time, because I found the repercussions of that. So, in total, I'm at $1,064.94. That is real bad. From what I saw, I think a lot of people were bleeding out last week, so hopefully that's not just me. If it is just me, oh well, that sucks. So yeah, going forward, I'm planning on putting more money into ETFs. I don't know, man. There's a lot of stocks I'm looking at that I want to put money in. I'm looking at Skills, I'm looking at Gamer, I'm looking at Ford, I'm looking at Apple, even though I don't really like Apple. I'm not sure where my money this week is going to go. It really depends on where things are sitting. As much as I want to put them into the Ford, Skills, and Apple, because I think those are good companies, I'm thinking ETFs might be my best bet, because from today's Monday, the day of recording, I'm seeing that all of my stocks are down except for SPY. So it's like, there is some security in covering a lot of companies, even though the gains aren't going to be as incredible. So I might do that. I know once I get all of those marked down, all those companies on the board, I'm going to be looking at more green energy companies and more dividend stocks. But I do want to get those 4 or 5 that I listed. I want to have some stock in those first. So yeah, if you liked the video, like it. If you hated it, dislike it. Leave a comment. Subscribe. If you don't, I'm going to tell your mom what you said to me. It really hurt my feelings. If you want to join Public, which is my primary investing app, you can click that link in the description, get some free stock, or just follow me with my handle, which is also in the description. If you want to join Webull and get free stock that way, my link is also in the description. So yeah, I will see you around. I'm not going to do the obnoxious screeching thing that I usually do. I'm sorry if you like that. Okay, bye.